Biohazard. The term biological hazard is commonly known as biohazard. Now let's define biohazard. These are the biological substances that pose health risks to living organisms, particularly to human beings and also to the animals. Now, if you want to define the biohazardous substances, then it can be in the form of medical waste such as feces, urine, blood, contaminated clothing. Now, all the solutions obtained from the patient should be sterile, but if the patient is suffering from any infectious disease, then sample can be contaminated with bacteria, virus, fungi, or with any other microorganism. So samples obtained from the patient can act as a biohazardous substance. इसके अलावा viruses, toxins produced by bacteria, they are also act as biohazardous substance. Now in 1966, special symbol was defined for the biohazard, and this was first developed by Charles Baldwin. Now this symbol is so much simple that it is easy to draw, easy to sketch. Now why the symbol of biohazardous substances is needed? The main purpose is to label the biohazardous or the biological materials which are responsible for biohazards. Then biohazard substances are very difficult or they are dangerous for the human beings, so they should be labeled. Now the symbol is so much simple that they can be easily recognized by the other individuals. And the most important thing about this symbol is that it is easily acceptable by different groups of ethnic backgrounds. Now, if we want to categorize the biohazardous substances, we can characterize them into 4 groups. So let's talk about the first category, which is known as category A, and the UN number is 2814. Now here the infectious substances affect the human beings. They are fatal, life-threatening for human beings only. While the second group, which is also known as category A, but the UN number is different, 2900, and this include infectious substances or the biohazardous substances that affects only animals, so they are fatal or life-threatening for animals. The third group is known as category B. UN number is 3373. Here we talk about the biological substances that are transported for diagnostic or for any other investigative purposes. The fourth and the last category of biohazardous substances includes regulated medical waste, and the UN number is 3291. Now, in this category, we talk about the waste or the reusable material which are derived from medical treatment, from the research experiments, for example, through testing or by production.